Welcome back to the Solo English Podcast. It's really nice to have you here with me again. In today's episode, we're going to continue building your English fluency, gently, naturally, and step by step. In the last lesson, we practiced 20 common sentences that make your English sound smooth and confident. Today, we're going even further with 20 more everyday sentences that native speakers use constantly. These sentences are simple, but they're powerful. And if you use them regularly, you'll notice your English becoming more automatic, more natural, and more fluent. So, take a moment, relax your shoulders, breathe in, breathe out, and let's learn together. Here's how this lesson will flow. I'll read each sentence slowly, then I'll explain what it means, and finally, I'll give you a natural, real-life example. You can repeat after me, or just listen, whatever feels comfortable for you. Let's begin with sentence number 1. 1. I didn't catch that. This simply means you didn't hear or understand something. Maybe the person spoke too fast or too softly. Example. Sorry, could you repeat that? 2. Can you say that again? A polite way to ask someone to repeat themselves. Example. The connection is a bit bad. Can you say that again? 3. It's up to you. This means you decide. A relaxed, friendly way to give someone the choice. Example, where should we eat? I don't mind, it's up to you. 4. That makes sense. You say this when you finally understand something. Example, oh, now I get it. That makes sense. 5. I didn't mean to. A calm phrase for accidents or mistakes. Example, sorry for interrupting. I didn't mean to. 6. Don't take it personally. A way to tell someone not to feel hurt or offended. Example, he was stressed today. Don't take it personally. 7. Let's give it a try. This means let's test it. Let's try doing it. Example, a new idea? Okay, let's give it a try. 8. I'll let you know. A natural way to say you will inform someone later. Example, are you coming tonight? Not sure yet. I'll let you know. 9. It's worth a shot. This means it might work, so let's try. Example, the idea is risky, but it's worth a shot. 10. That's not what I meant. You use this when someone misunderstands your words. Example, no, that's not what I meant. 11. Do you mind if I join? A polite question when you want to sit with or join someone. Example, you're studying? Do you mind if I join? 12. I'm not in the mood. This means you don't feel like doing something. Example, movie tonight? Not today. I'm not in the mood. 13. It slipped my mind. A friendly way to say you forgot. Example, I was supposed to call you. Sorry, it slipped my mind. 14. I'll handle it. A strong sentence meaning, I will take responsibility. Example, don't worry about the forms. I'll handle it. 15. I've got a lot going on. This means you're very busy right now. Example, sorry for the late message. I've got a lot going on. 16. I'm used to it. This means something is normal for you now. Example, waking up early? Yeah, I'm used to it. 17. I'm feeling a bit tired. This means you don't feel like doing something. Example, movie tonight? Not today. I'm not in the mood. 18. That's a good point. A natural way to agree with someone's idea. Example, yeah, that's a good point. We should start earlier. 19. Let me think for a second. A calm phrase to give yourself time. Example, let me think for a second. 20.
Let's call it a day. This means, let's stop working for today. Example, we've done enough. Let's call it a day.
Let's pause for a moment. Take a breath and reflect. These 20 sentences may seem small, but together, they make your English sound more natural, more confident, and more fluent. You don't need to memorize them all at once. Just choose a few. Use them today, and slowly build your fluency one sentence at a time. Thank you so much for joining me on today's episode of the Solo English Podcast. I really hope these sentences help you feel more comfortable and confident in your daily conversations. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to follow the podcast and share it with someone who wants to improve their English too. I'll see you in the next lesson. Until then, keep practicing, keep learning, and keep speaking confidently.